Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the tap step called the Broadway. So the Broadway has like 4 different names that I've heard of. So I've heard Broadway, it's also called the New York, it's also called the Shirley Temple, and there's one more name that I'm forgetting. Oh, Alexander, the Alexander. So I have heard it called so many different things. I tend to call it a Broadway. It's one of my most favorite steps. I love to do this step. Once you get faster at it, it's fun to do, very fun to do. So let me break it down for you now. You can call it whatever you like. I tend to call it a Broadway though, okay? So to start, these go out to the sides. So starting on your right foot, you're going to do a flap out to the right side. Now you're going to do a heel, heel. So you don't want to do your right heel first and then left, because then you would be going in the wrong direction. So when you do your heel, heel, you want to make sure you're doing your standing foot leg first. So on this side, it would be left and then right. And I tend to shift my heels over. It helps me with the step that's going to come next. So flap, heel, heel. And you can shift your heels. That's perfectly fine. You're now going to do a spank on your right, spank on your left, heel on your right. Then you're going to do a toe on your left and a heel on your right. Okay, and that's the whole thing right there. It just literally goes from side to side. So right foot starts again, flap, heel, heel. Spank, heel, toe, heel. Again, flap, heel, heel. Spank, heel, toe, heel. Try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Say you wanted to try the left side now. So now you're going to flap on your left. This time you're going to start with your right heel, then your left heel. Then you're going to spank heel, toe heel. Again, left side, flap, heel, heel. Spank heel, toe heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Once you've got that down, you can try it a little bit faster, and this is where they get to be really fun. So trying them faster, let's just go from right into left. Let's do it 4 times. Okay? We'll start slow and then we'll work our way up. So starting on your right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, back to right. Good, again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, so you want to do it faster even still. Here we go. Faster tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And for the most advanced level, faster even still. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Let me show you some just facing you so that you can see them from the front now. So, right side and left side. And a few in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. Great job. If you like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And leave a comment below if you have a specific step that you would like me to break down. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.